Hello and welcome back to my new video on astrological series, the good and bad planets in Gemini Ascendant. So before this video I made videos on different topics, and also on this series, good and bad planets in Aries and Taurus Ascendant, and now it's turned to make a video on Gemini Ascendant. So before starting the video, I would like to thank you for watching and sharing my previous videos. I will also provide you the link in the comment section of all the previous videos, so that you can get an idea about this series, and I'll make videos on the basics of the astrology. So let's start the video. We are without wasting much time. So this is the chart of a Gemini Ascendant person, and here you see the different numbers. It starts from 3. Gemini is the third in zodiac series, third sign in zodiac series, so that's why the first number will be 3. The houses will remain the same. I have explained you in my previous videos. The houses will remain the same, but only the number of the zodiac signs will change. So here it will starts from 3 and goes up to 12th house, and that is second number of zodiac sign, which is Taurus. So we see that Mercury is here very auspicious, because Mercury is having lordship of the first house and also the 4th house, and the zodiac sign is Gemini and also Virgo. So this is the most powerful and Yogarak planet, and we can say that all the luxurious amenities will be provided by Mercury only. So I will also discuss about Kendradipati dosh here. Kendradipati dosh also comes when a planet is being lord of 2 quadrant houses. See, quadrant houses are 1st, 4th, 7th and 10th. So if a planet is having lordship of all of any 2 quadrant houses, then it will leave the effect of the good house, and it will provide bad results. But Mercury is Yogarak planet, because Mercury is having lordship of 1st and 4th houses, and these both houses are very good houses, auspicious house. So that's why we say that Mercury will provide all the luxurious amenities, and that's why Mercury is being considered as a powerful and Yogarak planet. Now let's talk about Venus. So Venus is having lordship of this house, of the 12th house, and also the 5th house. If you see that Venus is having lordship of the 5th house, and Venus is in the house which is being said as the house of education, which is being said as the house of your Sukshma Buddhi, we say in Hindi, of your brain as well. So Venus is beneficial for the children as well. So that's why we say that Venus will give good results. Also Venus is having lordship of the 12th house. 12th house is not a bad house. It is just like a neutral house. So we say Venus will give neutral results. So neutral and good, it is like mixed results. Venus will provide mixed results. Also an important point is that Venus is also friend of Mercury. So Mercury, lord of the ascendant, is having good relationship with Venus. So that's why we say that Venus is a good planet in this chart. Now let's talk about Moon. So Moon is having lordship of the 2nd house, and 2nd and 7th house, I explained it in my previous videos. These are the killer houses, but we have an exception here. Moon and Sun both don't take the responsibility of killer planet in a zodiac sign. So Moon will give good result. Moon will not take this killer dosh or Marak dosh, and Moon is responsible here for the family, wealth and treasury. So Moon will provide very good results to this native. Now let's come to the another point, Sun. So Sun is having lordship of the 3rd house, and Sun is also neutral to Mercury. Mercury is here the lord of the ascendant. So Mercury is neutral to Sun. So that's why Sun will give mixed results. But 3rd house is also called the Upchaya house, and it is house of struggle. It is house of courage. So it will give blended results, but due to having friendly relationship with the lord of the ascendant Mercury, so it can be said that it will provide a good results to the native. Now let's come to Mars. So that's so we see here Mars is having lordship of the 6th house and of the 11th house, and due to the lordship of 6th house, Mars can be said that it is a cause of disease, it is cause of loss, problem, and debt. So that's why we say that Mars will not provide good results to the native, and Mars is not a good planet in a Gemini ascendant chart. Now let's come to Jupiter. Jupiter is having lordship of the 7th and 10th house. So we see here 7th house and 10th house. So similar like Mercury, we have a case with Jupiter, but we know that 7th house is also called the Marak house. So here if we see that the 10th house is a beneficial quadrant house and the 7th house is a Marak house. So because Jupiter is the lord of these quadrant houses, it will leave the good effect of the 10th house and it will provide only results of the 7th house due to the Kendradipati dosh. And this rule is being narrated by the Laghu Parashari Hora Shastra, and that a benefic planet leave result of good house if it is lord of true quadrants. So I think that you get an idea about the Kendradipati dosh. Now let's talk about Saturn. Saturn is having lordship of the 9th and 8th house. So because 9th house and 8th house is the house of death and 9th house, but because Saturn is the lord of the quadrant house, not quadrant, sorry, trine house. Trine house are 1st house, 5th house and 9th house. So because it is having lordship of the 9th house, so we say that Saturn will provide good results, but also it will not leave the bad effect of the 8th house. In my next video, I will explain about good and bad planets in Cancer ascendant. So stay tuned, and till then, bye bye, take care.